In this part of the video, we're going to demonstrate the packet pump transmitting traffic at the line rate, that is 10 Gbps. In order to sync the traffic at line rate, we use a third-party application called TrafficGen, TG for short, provided by KVM Networks on their Liquid IO2 cards. This is the TG console window. In this window, you can see the destination MAC address, the source MAC address, destination IP and source IP. These parameters correspond to those programmed in the packet pump tree. Let's check that. So here you see the destination for packet pump is the same as the source MAC address for traffic generator. Similarly, source MAC address for packet pump is the destination MAC address for traffic gen. Applies to IP as well. It's something you can see for yourself. Let's hit OK, and now we are almost ready to send traffic at the line rate. There are a couple of more details in the port configuration and the stream configuration to change for the transmission at line rate. By default, every port is configured in sequential mode, as you can see here. This has to be changed into interleaved mode by selecting this and hitting OK. The second change is in the stream configuration. For that, double click the gear icon and choose stream control and choose send packets or bursts. It doesn't matter which mode you choose. It could be packets as well as burst. If you have chosen packets, then make sure that you enter a value in the rate column such that the IPG reads 0. If you choose bursts, then this must be changed such that IBG reads 0. After those changes, hit OK and select the port and then hit apply such that the changes are effective in the hardware. Now let's start transmit. As you can see, on an average we are sending around 14.4 million packets per second, which is the line rate. In TG you can see this highlighted. The transmit rate for packet pump is the reception rate for traffic gen, which is exactly 10 Gbps. Here you would see a weighted average which doesn't swing that much, but in packet pump this is the counter readings which swings a little. You can select the port anytime and stop the traffic by hitting the stop button so that we can examine the number of packets transmitted and received. Now I have sent so many frames which corresponds to the reception frames on traffic gen. We can restart the transmit anytime by hitting the transmit. Well, the transmit on port 0 is still going on, but now let us send 10G line rate traffic on both ports. For that, first select the port and then stop the traffic. This is required because the configuration changes to become effective. The transmit state for both ports must be config. This is explained in the user guide anyway. Let us start line rate traffic on both ports. First thing, select the port, right click, port configuration, interleaved streams, hit OK. Port 1, right click, port configuration, interleaved streams, OK. Here we have used the standard packet. Here we have a pre-constructed packet. Frame length is 64 bytes. Stream control, we have given the rate of the packets such that the IPG read 0. Hit OK. Select the port. Hit apply. Select the ports. Hit apply. Select port 0. Start transmit. Select port 1. Start transmit. Now what you see is transmission at line rate on both ports by packet pump. Here you see the cumulative sum. Here is the cumulative RX bit rate, and that's all. Well, you can stop the transmit on any ports anytime by individually selecting it and hitting stop, and you can restart it as well.